Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can find or view your Wi-Fi password which you have already saved on your Mac operating system. So let's get started and let's see how we can do it. So I'm going to show you two different ways. Let's see the first way. So the first way is when you click on this Wi-Fi icon on the top, you can go to the Wi-Fi settings option. So click on Wi-Fi settings, which is going to open the Wi-Fi settings in the system settings. Here select your Wi-Fi network which you are connected to, and then you will see these three dots here. Just click on these three dots, and here you will be able to see the option to copy the password of that Wi-Fi network. So I'm going to click on copy, and then you can open any editor, for example text edit, and once the text edit opens, you can paste this Wi-Fi password on any text editor, and then you have your Wi-Fi password, right? So this is the first way of finding out the Wi-Fi password of your network. The other way is you need to know the name of your Wi-Fi. In my case, it's Fritzbox6690 VI. So I'm going to remember this name, and then I'm going to click on this spotlight search, and here search for Keychain Access. Okay, so search for Keychain Access, and the first result here will appear, which is for Keychain Access. So I'm going to click on this option, and here you need to type the name of your Wi-Fi network. In my case, as I said, it's Fritzbox, and I can find that network name. And once I find that network name, I'm going to click on this, and it's going to show me the Wi-Fi network and account name. And in order to show the Wi-Fi password, I'm going to click on this option which is show password. And once I check this checkbox, it's going to ask me to provide my MacBook's password, which I use to log into my MacBook. Let me just provide that. And once I click on OK, it's going to ask me again. So you need to provide the password twice, and then click on OK. And once again, it's asking me to provide my username and password. So you might need to provide this username and password twice or thrice. So just provide that username and password every time it asks you, and then click on allow. And once you do that, you will see that this checkbox is checked, and you will be able to see the password here. So from here also you can just copy that password. So this is how you can find out the password of your Wi-Fi network. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.